The local government units or the LGUs play a crucial role in the everyday lives of the Filipinos, from delivering essential services to fostering community and development. Their performance can significantly affect our communities. Today, we will delve into how we can assess and evaluate the effectiveness of local government.
Established under the Local Government Code of 1991, these units include city, municipal, provincial, and barangay governments. They are tasked with providing basic services,
Oh my God, this is bad.
and ensuring community welfare, given their critical role in evaluating their performance despite of accountability and transparency.
Hindi naman maglalagyan mo. Pag screen ng record. Sana hindi. Sana hindi.
Here are some key performance indicators commonly known as the KPIs. We should consider serviceability, or the basic services such as health, education, and infrastructure being provided effectively. Budget utilization, how well are public funds
Mga random
managed.
video sa video.
Number 3, citizen engagement, are the constituents involved in
Gago,
decision-making processes.
May rooftop
4,
parking pala.
public satisfaction, what are the
Ayun, kita.
civil
Ayun sa kan. Porta
What
Baga.
are the citizens saying? Surveying
Ganda
and
pa ng Porta
feedback
Baga, no?
mechanisms provide insight
It's the
into
only
the
mall
public's
na
conception of
na-rarely
local
ako
governance.
napupunta.
Number 5, compliance with laws and regulations.
Yan na yun.
Are the LGUs adherent
Porta
to
Baga.
national laws and local ordinances? I'm in It's supremely soft.
Ano yun?
Ads.
Kailan na nagbigla na mag-ano?
Mr. Benjamin Magalong. Now, Mayor, please tell us, Baguio City has been oftenly highlighted for its great leadership under your governance. Can you please share us your priorities in the city?
Baguio City will focus on transparent governance, efficient public service, and sustainable development. Our areas include health, disaster preparedness, environmental sustainability, and economic development. These areas address both immediate needs and long-term goals of Baguio City.
To effectively evaluate these indicators, various tools are at our disposal. The Local Government Performance Management System, or the LGPMS, provide a framework for assessing the LGU's performance across various dimensions. Community-minded feedback mechanisms such as citizen report cards and satisfaction surveys also empower residents to voice out their opinions.
5 available tools evaluating NGO performances is not without challenges issues, such as corruption, lack of transparency, failure, accurate assessment. Moreover, the varying capacities and context of different NGOs can affect comparability. It's crucial to address these barriers to ensure fair and constructive evaluation.
Evaluating good performance in the LGU's foundational to good governance. As a citizen, we must remain vigilant and participate in this
Medyo ano ba si Miles?
accountable threats to local governance.
Let's take a moment to celebrate some LGUs that have excelled in delivering services and community. For instance, Pangasinan is recognized for its effective healthcare programs, while Spring City has been strong promoting business development. These success stories offers valuable lessons for others to learn. Are you interested in learning more about your local government's performance? Visit the local government academies website to participate in communities to
Ikaw na ako.
strategy and development
Ayun na.
our communities.